Looking for the best 4K gaming monitors for PC for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 4K gaming monitors for PC that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a 4K gaming monitors for PC that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended 4K gaming monitors for PC. Number 1 on the list is Dell G3223Q. The Dell G3223Q is a stellar entry in the 4K gaming monitor segment, offering a 32-inch panel size, low total input lag, measured at just 30 milliseconds, and an excellent balance between response and motion resolution. As you might expect for a 4K gaming monitor, we have a 144Hz refresh rate with support for both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync adaptive sync technologies. Not only does the Dell G3223Q nail the basics, but it also offers a bright and colorful picture. And color accuracy straight out of the box is top-notch in both DCI, P3 and sRGB color gamuts. With Display HDR 600 support, accuracy and color reproduction were also well represented in HDR mode. If there were any downsides, it was that contrast and color gamut volume came up a little bit short compared to some of its close rivals. However, with a street price of less than $800, the Dell G3223Q is easy to recommend for 4K gamers. Second on the list is Samsung Odyssey Neo G8. One thing you can expect regarding the vast category of 4K gaming monitors is that they all feature a 144Hz refresh rate, or slightly higher with overclocking. Well, Samsung bucks that trend with the Odyssey Neo G8, which offers a maximum refresh rate that is more fitting of a lower resolution 1440p monitor, 240Hz. Not only does the 240Hz refresh rate put the Odyssey Neo G8 on a higher plane than its counterparts, but Samsung has infused the monitor with a 32-inch 1000 RVA panel and mini LED lighting with 196 dimming zones. As a result, we measured contrast at 25,000:1 versus the 3,000:1 typical of VA panels. The superlatives didn't end there. We were floored by the accuracy of the monitor fresh from the factory, and image quality in both SDR and HDR modes were superb. We only had a few reservations about the Odyssey Neo G8, namely its color gamut volume, which was mid-pack compared to its competitors. There's also the issue of price. The Odyssey Neo G8 isn't cheap, with an MSRP of $1,400, however, that price is a relative bargain compared to its mini LED competitors from ViewSonic and Asus that retail for over $2,000 at this writing. Number 3 on the list is Asus ROG Swift PG32UQ. The 32-inch 4K gaming monitor segment is becoming very crowded, but the Asus ROG Swift PG32UQ looks to stand out with some trick features. For starters, the PG32UQ boasts a maximum refresh rate of 155Hz, which pushes it slightly ahead of the class standard of 144Hz. While that 155Hz rating didn't show much of an advantage in our testing, we can't ignore the rich and vibrant colors provided by the IPS panel and the excellent HDR contrast afforded by its HDR 600 rating. Throw in features like a large color gamut, 1 millisecond response time, FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility in top-notch video processing, and we have a real winner on our hands. The PG32UQ performed well across our test suite and comes in at a price that squeaks just below $1,000. Number 4 on the list is ViewSonic Elite XG320U. The ViewSonic Elite XG320U excels in the 32-inch class with a 4K IPS panel that overclocks to a maximum of 150 Hz. The monitor comes in at a hair under $1,000 and delivers a large color gamut, excellent HDR, great gaming performance and a sharp image. We'd also add that its build quality is solid, which is in keeping with previous high-end ViewSonic monitors that we've tested. In addition to supporting HDMI 2.1, the Elite G3223Q boasts a 1 millisecond response time. FreeSync and G-Sync support and peak HDR brightness of 543 nits in our testing, a bit below the spec 600 nits. The contrast ratio for the panel is also listed at 1:0:0:0 to 1. It should be noted that while we were overall impressed across the board with the monitor, we did give it demerits for a lack of controls over color gamut size and the fact that the slight overclock to 150 Hz robs gamers of adaptive sync support. Number 5 on the list is Philips Momentum 279M1RV. We have dozens of gaming monitors that pass through our lab yearly, but few monitors impress as much as the Philips Momentum 279M1RV. The 279M1RV packs in 4K resolution into a 27-inch IPS panel that impresses at every turn. You'll find the usual 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time and adaptive sync support expected from this class, but Philips goes above and beyond on the details. The 279M1RV first impresses with its excellent picture quality. Not only is the display bright, hitting 458 nits in our testing, but it also performed well, for an IPS monitor, in the contrast test at 1:0:18:1. Color accuracy was at the head of the class, as was its HDR brightness and contrast. No calibration was needed out of the box with the 279M1RV. Gaming performance is exemplary with AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync. In addition, RGB fans will be delighted to know that Philips' excellent Ambiglow system is present, which provides bias light to further enhance contrast/color saturation and gaming immersion. Just now is a list of 5 best 4K gaming monitors for PC that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.